Hey there, today I have a mix and match box to unbox. And if you're not familiar with Mix and Match, it is another online styling service, very similar to Stitch Fix and others. With the Mix and Match though, they have a couple options. And initially I tried the Go For It box, which is the one that's most similar to Stitch Fix. But after, my dog is growling. She's sweet though, but she's just growling at something and I'm not sure what. But anyway, yeah, after trying the Go For It box once, I decided to do the Take a Chance box. And I'll put a card up to one of my earlier videos along with some information in the description box below as to how the service works. So with the Take a Chance box, that's the one where you get, I think it's 4 items or up to 4 items of clothing with a retail value of at least $175, and it's only $105.99. But anyway, I'm really excited this month because I've been working with the same stylist, and her name is Alexis, and she's doing an awesome job. And this month I asked her if I could get an all dress box. And I wasn't really sure, she wasn't really sure if she could get it. It kind of depends on what's in inventory and what they get in. But she said she was able to do it. And I kind of feel bad because this is only $105.99. I'm gonna get 4 boxes. So let's see what I got. Okay, so here's how the box looks. Oops. So there's a little packet with your information, and they always have it very nicely wrapped in a bundle. So it's really pretty. Let's just open up the packet with the information. Oh. Okay, so there is a mailer in case I want to send anything back. And then there's a lot of information. So here's a letter from my stylist. And so this is actually my 3rd Take a Chance box. So when you sign up for the Take a Chance box, you have to at least commit to 3 months. So this is my 3rd, and I told them after this, I'm just gonna do it every other month going forward. And so for this box, I did have some credit actually. So some of you signed up for Mix and Match, and each time one of you signs up, I do get a $5 credit. So I do believe I got $25 off, so this box just cost me $80.99. And the total value of all the items in this box is $176. Okay, let's see what I got in this beautiful bundle. I'm very excited, as you can tell, because I really love dresses. And I've only gotten 1 dress, I think, from my other 2 boxes, and I really did like it. I actually wore it for Mother's Day brunch. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so let's see. The first dress of 4 is very pretty. It's by GILLI and a size medium. And this is, it's a faux wrap, and I think it's navy. It's got polka dots and kind of a pretty feminine ruffly hem. And it's the GILLI Navy A-line dress featuring an overlap neck, 1/2-inch sleeves. I think this is the one. And it retails for $49. So yeah, very pretty. Okay, and the next one, okay, it's also by, ooh, this is really pretty. It's also by GILLI, and it is, looks like this. It has a crisscross in the front. This is like it's a skater dress. It's a GILLI skater dress with crisscross neckline, size medium, and this retails for $38. So it's another stretchy knit material, but it's kind of a thicker. And look at that print, it's very pretty. Yeah, I really like this. I hope it fits me. And this is size medium. I think it should. Okay, next, oh, this dress is cute. It's by WISHLIST. And here it is. It's a very pretty sage green print. And it's a size medium. This one retails for $45. And you'll see that it's fully lined. So it's a polyester crepe, fully lined dress. Very nice. Wow, I really do like this. And my last dress of 4. Okay, this is also by GILLI. I think 3 out of the 4 were from GILLI. And it's a nice, pretty coral color. I like it. And size medium, and this retails for $44. So yeah, very cute. And it's a very soft, stretchy material. Nice for summer. So okay, so those are my 4 dresses for my all dress box. I wasn't sure if she could do it, but she did, and I think she did a great job. These are all very pretty dresses, but let's go ahead and I'll try everything on and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here is the first dress, and yeah, I think it's really cute. This one is, it has polka dots, really tiny polka dots, and this kind of ruffly sleeve, and it's got a crisscross. I'll probably have to pin this, but it's cute. And it's a nice knit. It has kind of a faux wrap skirt. Very cute. I mean, this is just perfect for work. So yeah, here you go. Very cute. Okay, so here is the second dress, and it's also by GILLI. And wow, look at this. It's very, it's cute. It's got this crisscross in the front. It's a very thick material, but it's comfortable and easy to put on. I like these kind of knit dresses, and a very pretty floral, and very, I think, flattering, and not too short, just right. Just my, the length of dress that I prefer is just slightly above the knee. That's, to me, for me anyway, the most flattering, and I am only 5'1". But yeah, I like this. I think that's a very cute dress. So, okay, next is this green dress, and this is the only non-GILLI dress. I mean, it's pretty. It's a little short for me, to be honest, but I don't know. It's cute. Yeah, I don't know. It's the only thing. It's a little short, and up here it's a little bit tight. But it is a cute dress. I know it retails for $45. I might actually give this to my daughter. One of them. I think they would like this actually, but it is really cute. Okay, and here is the last dress, and wow, this is really pretty too. I think GILLI dresses really work for me because this is the third of the 3 GILLI dresses, and I don't actually have anything this color, but I think it's pretty, and I actually think I could wear this to work with maybe a sweater or something. But yeah, very cute. And this could also be a nice brunch or dinner dress, maybe. Cute. And I love that it's stretchy and comfortable. It's like super comfortable. Okay, so that was everything I got in my third Take a Chance box this month. And wow, 4 dresses for $105.99 less credit. So 4 dresses for basically $80. And the retail on this was $176 for 4 dresses. Even that seems pretty reasonable, you know, for 4 dresses. I noticed with Mix and Match, even if you don't do the Take a Chance box, if you do like the Go For It box, you know, the prices, their prices are a little lower than other places that have the same brands. So for example, yeah, GILLI dresses for $38, $44, and $49. So that's pretty reasonable, I think, because you can find those same dresses maybe $10 to $15 more at other places. So yeah, I think overall their Mix and Match has good prices, and then when you do this discounted Take a Chance box, it's an even better price. So I would say the 3 definite wins were these 3 dresses. This green dress was a beautiful dress. It has pockets, and I might actually offer it to my 2 daughters, see if one of them wants it, because I think this is really pretty, and they're like a lot skinnier than me, and I think it would just fit them a little better. Okay, so that's all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of unboxing videos and also some shopping hauls. So if you enjoy those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.